and welcome to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. So as you might have seen on the thumbnail, I will be unboxing the Ribera Mini from Louis Vuitton. I remember the first time I saw the Ribera, I said to myself, oh, that's a cute one. And unfortunately, this is already a discontinued piece, so we don't have choice but to get it pre-loved. And there are very rare times that I've seen one of this posted for sale. Usually the ones I saw are the big ones, the I think, which is it's too big for me. I prefer the small bags, if you may notice. So I just waited. It's like whenever I see one that's sale and it's in good condition and in a good price, then I will take it. So I took my time. I've just waited until I saw this one. The seller has wrapped this beautifully, and finally we'll be able to see what's inside. See how cute is this Ribera Mini? She is a little snug inside her dust bag, and see how beautiful she is. It's so cute. I'm so excited to finally have this one. I've been eyeing the Ribera Mini for a long time, and finally I have one. She comes with this non-branded strap to wear it crossbody or over the shoulder, which most probably I won't be using because I will use my strap for my Speedy bandolier instead. It doesn't have any smell or whatever, and the inside is mostly clean, as you can see. We might need to do some cleaning before using, as what I do most of the time, but generally it's clean. And there is the date coat. This is a structured bag, and the side seems a little pressed inwards if you can notice, but hopefully if I stuff it, it will be like better, not like this one. See, that's why I'm trying to press it. And okay, so here's a closer look on the bag. As you see, the canvas is still very beautiful. The what you call the piping are still okay, very minimal rubs. I don't see actually like rubs on the corners. These are all clean. Yeah, so far so good. Here's the closer look at the handle. The hardware are still gold, though there are some minimal scratches on the hardware, but of course this is pre-loved, so what's important is the hardware are still gold. It's not like turning into silver. So here's the look on the zipper. Generally beautiful. I remember the time that I've seen this one for sale, I found another one, Ribera Mini, for sale from a Japan-based seller, and the price difference was huge. So that one is 70% more than the price of this one. So I think I got a good deal out of this purchase. So I'm very, very happy. Overall, I am happy with this purchase. As you can see, everything is in very good condition. But the only flaw here is the zipper pull. There's a little chipping there. But aside from this one, all are okay. All is in very good condition. So this wraps up this unboxing of my Ribera Mini. I hope you like it, and if you do have any question about this bag, please leave down comment below. I will try in the future to make a video on what fits and how I wear this bag, so stay tuned. That's all for now, and thank you for joining me on this video. I hope to see you on my next one. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some luxe. Bye!